Hi guys, Tom Gerber here at MarineMax Coco. As you can see, I'm standing on Pontoon Row. Today we're going to take a look at this 210 Sunliner that we have here at the showroom. It's a tri-tune, beautiful blue color with the standard fence railing on it, center walk-through design. Let's take a look on the, as you can see I said center walk-through, so you walk right down through the center. Gives you two really nice sofas up in the bow area, two really nice sofas in the stern area. This boat is equipped with the 150 Mercury. It's also got the ski tow bar. We've added the 10-foot power Bimini to this boat, which is really nice. I like that feature. Of course, it's got the 9-inch Simrad multifunction display in it. You have JL audio in this boat. This has a standard Ultralux helm seat in it. Every one of the Harris boats comes with a table. This one happens to have the new wood grain design table. This boat is available, ready to take out, saltwater package. We're ready to go. Come on down and check them out.